Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to request payment or money on Revolut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to ask for money from other people. Let's get started by opening Payments. Now that I'm here, all you have to do is tap on Transfer. All you have to do is be on the Transfers tab, which is this little tab right here, and then tap on the three dots. Now, tap on Request via Link. And then, all you have to do is choose the currency that you want to request and how much you want to request. And it's pretty simple. That's pretty much all you have to do to request money on Revolut. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.